Welcome again, friends. In previous 2-3 videos in quadratic equations, in first, what is a quadratic equation, what is the nature of quadratic equation, which is the standard form of quadratic equations, how we find the quadratic equation, then how we use the quadratic equations, we are seeing those things. Then a method for solving the quadratic equation. In my second video of this topic, we see the factorization method, which is by which we can solve the quadratic equations, from which we get two roots of the quadratic equation. Second method, completing square method, and then formula method. Means these three methods we are solve the quadratic equation and get the roots of the quadratic equations. Okay. Also, we see the comparing the quadratic equations with the standard form, that means ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, that means suppose here I am writing the equations. Which equations? X square plus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then comparing this equation with this, what happens? Comparing, we get what we get. A is equal to coefficient of x square 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 5. Okay, that means we are getting the values of this, and by discriminant values means b square minus 4ac, what happens? 1 square minus 4 into 1 into c, that is equal to 1 minus 20, that is equal to minus 19. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 19. Okay, then what happen? x square हमको वैल्यूज निकालनी है, दैट मीन्स उसके लिए हमने फॉर्मूला मेथड देखना था. ओके, तो इसके आगे हमको इक्वेशन दिया जाएगा, जिस इक्वेशन में हमको पूछा जाएगा आस्किंग कंपेयर विद ए बी सी. ओके, लाइक दिस मीन्स comparing we are getting the answers. Okay, now if we want to solve this equation, that means by a formula method. Which formula method? That is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What answer? The answer is that minus 1 plus minus minus 19 divided by 2, that means minus 1 plus minus root 19 minus 19 divided by 2, where minus 19 is not a real number, hence roots are not real. Means इसके जरिए हमको क्या पता चलता है और हमने क्या सीखा. इसके बाद में हमने ये सीखा और हम ये सीख रहे हैं, अगर इस इक्वेशंस में जो बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, उसी को हम डेल्टा बोलते हैं, जो डिसाइड करते हैं. दैट मीन्स बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, दैट मीन्स डेल्टा इज लेस देन 0, देन रूट्स आर रियल. If delta greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. If delta is equal to 0, that means roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. We are finding the answers. That means delta means what? b square minus 4ac. It is also denoted by delta. जो roots है, जो minus 19, which is not a real number, so roots are not real. Equations, roots of the equations are not real because delta is minus 19, not a real number. Okay, then we are going to comparing and equations. We are going to the next point, nature of a roots of a quadratic equations. Nature of a roots of the quadratic equations. Okay, means from among the equations, methods of solving quadratic equations, we understand that we clear that if the delta is b square minus 4ac, values of delta is less than 0, roots are real. If delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal, and delta is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Okay, means from above equation we clear that. Now we are getting every one example of this. Delta is less than 0, delta is greater than 0, or delta is equal to 0. That's from we get. Okay, removing this, determine the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, example is that 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then compare equation. कंपेयरिंग इक्वेशन किसके साथ कंपेयरिंग करना है? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के फॉर्मूला के साथ, विच इज फॉर्मूला ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. इसके साथ कंपेयर करोगे तो x स्क्वायर ये है, मतलब ये है a का क्या कोएफिशिएंट, x का 2 आया, b माइनस 5 आया एंड c इज इक्वल टू 7. ओके, देन therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 7. That means minus 5 square 25 minus 4 to the 8 7 the 56, right? That is equal to minus 31. Okay, that means therefore what happens, b square minus 4ac values of this is 0. इसकी जो values है 31 is greater minus 31, मतलब 0 से कम है. values of this minus 31, therefore delta is less than 0. अभी मैंने कुछ देर पहले आपको बताया था. तो values कहते हैं roots are not real. डेल्टा अगर 0 से 0 मतलब minus 31 which is less than 0, roots are not real. Roots are not real. Okay, now another example, x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. What happens? Same, comparing equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. कंपेयर करने के बाद what we get, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 9, right? Then the values of delta, b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square means 2 square minus 4ac, that means 4 minus 9 4s are 36 minus 36. Then what happens, 4 plus 36, that is equal to 40. Means what, b square minus 4ac is equal to 40, right? Which is equal to 40, that is which is greater than 0. b स्क्वायर की वैल्यू जो है, जो 0 से ज़्यादा है, b स्क्वायर इज ग्रेटर देन 0, Therefore, roots are real and unequal. Therefore, roots are real and unequal. Okay, are you understand? I am writing two examples here from which delta जो है, that means I am writing here, sorry, 1 minute, delta is greater than 0, delta is less than 0. यहाँ पे दोनों एग्जांपल्स मैंने आपके सामने रख दिए हैं. And next, delta is equal to 0, then what happens? Root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0. This is an example. Okay, root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3. Okay, similar manner, comparing with equation. Which equation? Quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What happens? A is equal to root 3, b is equal to 2 root 3, c is equal to root 3. Okay, then what happens? Delta b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 root 3 bracket square minus 4 into root 3 into root 3. That means 2 का स्क्वायर कितना आता है? 4. रूट 3 का स्क्वायर आता है 3 माइनस 4 रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 3. Therefore 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Delta is becomes 0. Means I am telling you delta less than 0, delta greater than 0, or delta is equal to 0. Equal to 0 आएगा. Roots are real and equal. Here, therefore, roots are real and equal. I think you are understand. It is a very easy. The nature of roots of the quadratic equation. जो roots का जो nature होता है, means root जो है real है, non real है, unequal है. Roots are not real. Real कब होंगे? अगर डेल्टा जो है इज इक्वल टू 0 आया तो रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल. और ग्रेटर देन 0 आया रूट्स आर रियल एंड अनइक्वल. एंड लेस देन 0 आया रूट्स आर नॉट रियल. मीन्स आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? आई थिंक इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट फॉर योर एग्जाम्पल पर्पज और एग्जामिनेशन पर्पज. ओके, आई थिंक you are understand very means formula, methods, factorization methods, nature of roots, and discriminant method. By means discriminant means using b square minus 4ac values. Finding the discriminant means put the value, compare the equation, put the values and find the roots are real or not real to you of this. Means here we are completing so much cover syllabus of your equations, quadratic equations and quadratic equations. That means we are completing maximum syllabus of the textbooks. I give 2-3 examples for every method, factorization method, formula methods and completing square methods. Then we are getting some knowledge about comparing the formulas, then finding the nature of roots. The roots are real, not real, and unequal, equals. Then next point, that before going to the next point, we are getting some examples. Okay, then here one of the best way to finding roots. Suppose alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the two roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then what? मतलब उस अल्फा और बीटा ये ऑलरेडी रूट्स है. देन अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्या आंसर आएगा और अल्फा माइनस अल्फा इंटू बीटा क्या आएगा, और उसका इस्तेमाल करके वी आर सॉल्विंग सम एग्जांपल्स. Okay, I am removing on the boards and getting the equations and solving on the boards.
Start.
That means if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then alpha plus beta, what happens? Alpha into beta, what happens? We learn in next videos. Okay.